So I come out to have a look at what it used to be the main Jaguar dealer for this area, but it's now changed over to Fiat and Jeep. There's a Hellcat inside. So yeah, that was a bit of a surprise. I know Jaguar haven't exactly got any cars for sale at the moment, but I thought there might have been something still up here. Nice little 500. Yeah, bit of a surprise. It's a nice colour. And I don't know if you can see, this is now Owens, but it used to be Broughton's, which was a Royce dealership. So yeah, this used to be a very prestigious Rolls-Royce dealership called Broughton's, but now it's a Owens franchise. A Bentley, McLaren, and Aston Martin. I'm not going to walk around out the back or anything. So that's changed a lot. So I was shooting into the sun a little bit at the start of the video, so we'll walk back round the other way. But yeah, this used to be the main Jaguar dealership, but it's changed over. Lovely Fiats. SRT, and it's still got the delivery bit on the bumper. The Alpha. So yeah, surprising how quickly things change. Beautiful Jag in the sun. And then you got Dodge Ram here as well. All part of Stallantis group, I think. So that's a big old truck.